Max Alaga, Max Protectado, Smart Dishwashing Base, Heavy Duty Linis, bawat pari, Store Wax, Floor Wax, Kintab, Max, Shield Bath Soap, napatunayan mabisa, and Extraordinary, Rexona. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 deal lotion ng bayan. Say no to ASI emergencies. Sunsilk, dandruff, and dryer. Use the new Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. A 2-in-1 solution with... For more, Azure Urban Resort Residences by Century Properties. Doms Ramos, Manila, Philippines. Tanduay, gaan ng may kasama.
The MBC Media Group, Star City, the cities of Pasay and Manila, in cooperation with the Cultural Center of the Philippines, proudly present a gathering of the best, the Philippines Grand Festival of Champions. Catching beats and mixing harmonies. Let's up the tracks in full throttle. Let's give it up for DJ Tom Toss. and Tanya Chinita. Let's welcome our host for Aliwan Fiesta 2024 awarding ceremony, Tambalan ng
sa ating float competition at syempre yung mga reyna na nakasama natin kagabi. Hanggang sa
and the heart of the sweetest Dinamulat Mango. This is Sarina Mayor Ayu from Dinamulat Mango Festival, province of Zambales. Daing ng mga itik sa ulit at kultura! Everyone! Ako si Prima Joy Lara Galamban mula sa bayang may mayamang kasaysayan at pagkain talaga namang binabalik-balikan. Bayan ng Tambomo, lungsod ng Malabon. Of democracy and the home of the first Philippine Republic. My name is Arabel Mangahat, representing Fiesta Republica from the Renaissance City of Malolos, Bulacan. I am Rosalina Dolaros, 24, representing Dayang-Dayang Festival of the capital city of the Philippines, Pasay City! Diyos Tagatis, si Payung Aguilar, Lady Jane Rambo Milaray from the watershed haven of the north and the citrus capital of Luzon, representing the Grand Damuhan Festival of the naturally vibrant Nueva Vizcaya. Amira Almamari, celebrating the bountiful fish harvest of Atimoran, Quezon, Tagundol Fishing Festival. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I am Michelle Angela Navarro Ocon, representing the magnificent Lakbayo Festival from the city of Manila. Nia Lorene Camayo, representing Pasigarbo sa Cebu from the province of Cebu. Nabuhi ang probinsya sa Cebu. Maria Sofia Papiliales, 19, from the garden capital of the Lord, Halaman Festival, Biginto, Bulacan. Representing the Sunduan Festival of Parañaque City. Naimbag Antipolo Military Festival! Tayo na! Gikan sa timugan sa Sidlakang Bahandi sa Karagatan sa Subo. I am Mario Bogart, 19, proudly representing the Sinulog Festival of Cebu. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Viva Big Senyor! April Tanya Franca, representing the culminating highlights of celebration in Lucena City, Pasayahan Festival! Mika Elarin Egay, representing Lomlak Festival o Lomlak sa Cotabato. It's time for Mika now! Juliana Luis Martinez, representing the Liugyugan Festival of Quezon Province! Nabuhay! Suyen Max Miguel Rosario, kumakatawan sa makulay at masiglang selebrasyon na Hambang Makina at Kabuhayan o Hamaka Festival mula sa munisipalidad ng Taytay, lalawigan ng Rizal. Naimbag na piling kayo amin. This is Priyanka Elena Lorena Goswami, 18, representing Ayan Festival from the surfing capital of the North Province of La Union! Mayong gabi Aliwan! This is Angel Jet Sarah 19, proudly representing the diverse celebration of Dinagyan Festival! From the city of Iloilo City! Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Tagnabina, Iloilo!
What? Napakaganda naman, partner!
Yes, palakpakan natin ang kasamang hiyawan para sa ating 20 candidates na rin ng Aliwan in their festival. And Miss Marla. Wow, hi Miss Marla. Oh, Miss Marla.
Miss Marla Alforni, you're so beautiful!
Yes. All right. 20,000 pesos ang naghihintay para sa ating Extraordinary Festival Costume.
Bigay natin sa Cebu, walang award din kami.
Kausap ang buhay na associates natin.
Mahina natin yan sa Quezon.
Congratulations! Again, congratulations sa ating winner ng An Extraordinary Festival Costume.
Eto na! Sino kaya sa ating mga kandidata ang tatanggap ng The Bingo Plus Netizens Choice Award?
The Bingo Plus Netizens Choice Award is candidate number 17, Juliana Luis Martinez of Liugyugan Festival of Patilao, Quezon Province!
Quezon! Kayo! candidates of Yulyugan Festival of Maglihao, Quezon Province.
Shine bright, inspire many, and continue to make a difference. To everyone who supported me, believed in me, and stood by me throughout this remarkable journey I had. But the memories, lessons, and love will forever remain in my heart. Until the next Reina ng Aliwan 2024, I offer you my heartfelt congratulations. This is your time to shine, to make your mark and to inspire. Embrace every moment, every challenge and every opportunity with grace and courage. This world is waiting for your light.
Ito na, tuwagin na natin ang ating unang second runner-up.
Ang ating babanggitin ay ating unang second boss. And she is candidate number
Of Sunduan Festival of Paranaque City. Wow! Napakaganda!
ang ating unang Sunduan Festival of Paranaque City. Nangarin natin ang ating candidate number
8, Michelle Angela Opol of the Kayaw Festival of Manila.
Congratulations, Michelle Angela Opol. Gorgeous.
Stunning!
Candidate number
14, Marielle Bonner of Silulog Festival of Cebu City. Beautiful! So, hindi natin ang ating tatlong runners-up o tatlong okay.
Our first runner-up is candidate number 7, Amira Sulaiman Said Almamari of Kabulton Fishing Festival of Katiwanan, Quezon Province.
Woo! Nakakaba! Magkano ulit ang kanyang iuwi partner, our Reina ng Aliwan 2024 first runner-up will be taking home
75,000 pesos!
Sino? Woo! Ito na! Aliwan Festival 2024, Reina ng Aliwan Festival Queen
is candidate number
the Reyna ng Aliwan winner will receive 150,000 pesos plus a crown, plus sash, and a bouquet, plus
An additional 25,000 pesos!
Iba talaga ang Aliwan Fiesta. O, eto na.
Yung 25,000 pesos na yan, partner, na additional is from Bingo Plus.
Yun, maraming salamat, Bingo Plus!
Alright, this is it, the moment of truth!
Sino ulit?
Woo! Our Reyna ng Aliwan 2024 is candidate number 9! Candidate number 9! Mia Marie Tamayo of Pasigalgo sa Sumpo Festival of Cebu Province!
Wow!
Tamayo of Pasigalgo sa Sumpo Festival of Cebu Province. Ikaw ang ating Reyna ng Aliwan 2024!
Natin ang lahat ng ating mga kandidata in this year's Reyna ng Aliwan 20.
Number 7, Bahay Pangistaan from Muntinlupa City.
Congratulations!
Ang ating unang runner-up. Kaya tawagin natin ang ating mga representatives from Bahay Pangistaan. 10, Lamin Obidadari from Northern Kabuntalan, Maguindanao del Norte. May we call on stage ang ating representatives mula sa Lamino Bidadari from Northern Kabuntalan, Maguindanao del Norte.
Ang inyong float ay mag-uwi rin ng 25,000 pesos.
Yeah. Number 4,
Adat Betad sa Magiranon from Mother Kabuntalan,
Maguindanao del Norte. Ayan, congratulations!
Ayun.
1, Halamanan Festival from Iginto, Bulacan!
Magkano ulit?
100,000 pesos. At ang ating third placer for the best float is float number 9, Republika Filipina Fiesta from Malolos, Bulacan.
Kayo ay tatanggap ng tumataginting na
100,000 pesos.
akin na ang ating mga representative.
Mula sa Republika Filipina Fiesta from Malolos, Bulacan. Congratulations.
Second place.
Is float number 5. Parada Kaduan from San Felipe, Zambales.
Ang inyong float ay mag-uwi ng tumataginting na
300,000 pesos. Sa ating float competition ay mag-uwi ng tumataginting na 750,000 pesos.
Ito na. Ayan na. Ang Lisa. Ayan, iniibot na po ang resulta. Sino kaya ang tatanghalin na best float ngayong taong ito para sa ating Aliwan Fiesta?
The 2024 Aliwan Fiesta Best Float ay walang iba kundi ang float number...
Sino? Hindi namin marinig. Sino?
8, Ginakit from Cotabato City, Maguindanao del Norte. Ang ganda!
Wow!
Congratulations!
Once again, ang inyong flow uwi ng
750,000 pesos and an additional 25,000 pesos from Bingo Plus.
Iba rin talaga ang Bingo Plus.
Ayan.
Gusto nila na uuwi ang ating mga contingents, ang ating mga participants ng mas masaya.
Correcta. Hero ng OPM, Rocksteady!
Pero ba request? May gusto ko yung kantahin namin. Ano gusto mo kantahin namin, Tol? Ha? Hindi kami yun. Rocksteady kami. Hindi kami mayonnaise. Huwag ka na mawala. Huwag ka na mawala. Tomboy na